Hey everybody, today on Bella Renovare, we are gonna go over my top 5 favorite makeovers of 2020. So if you guys wanna see the top 5, stay tuned. Hi everybody. My name is Crys'Dawna and I am the owner and creator here of Bella Renovare by Crys'Dawna. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell and you'll get all the latest videos. Also, if you're new here, I am a furniture artist and I usually put out videos every week. I also do 10-minute Tuesdays where I go over different products and things for you to use, whether you're experienced and you've just got questions, you're a beginner. So this is a playlist of the top 5, I would say my top 5 favorite pieces that I did of 2020, whether that be the most viewed or the most liked, or a couple of them are actually like mixed reviews, but they were my favorite. If I did not put your favorite in this top 5, let me know down in the comments below which one I missed and what your favorite was, or let me know if one of these were your favorite. So without further ado, here they are. Do you guys want to see how I did this? Stay tuned and we're gonna get started. This video is one where I show you guys how to blend multiple colors and block the wood and things like that. What I am gonna be using is Blueberry by Dixiebelle, Paint Blue, Farmhouse Green, Rebel Yellow, Florida Orange, Flamingo, and Peony. As you saw, I used 6 colors on this. So, you know, as all of my blending, I always do a base coat, which I'm doing right here, and then I show you how to blend. This piece was really one of my favorite to do this year. In this video, I go super in depth on how to blend paint, and also later on in the video, I use white wax and show you how to do that as well. So this video is packed full of awesome information. I loved this piece so much that I actually kept it, and now it has all of our winter attire in it. I just want to say thank you so much to Christina Mascari from Pretty Distressed for putting this playlist together. The playlist will be in the description below, and I also have linked every single video in order from that they show in the actual video so that you can go and check out the full tutorials. But I want you guys to know that if you click on that playlist, There are some of the most amazing furniture artists, DIYers here that have come together to give you guys a compilation of their top 5 for 2020. And so I really think you should check it out because there's some really awesome people on there. So again, thank you so much, Crys'Dawna. I love these collaborations. If you guys are new here, again, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys really enjoy these top 5. You're gonna be with me on this journey for this piece. So again, it's in pretty good shape. I did get it from Luxembourg, but it's a beautiful French piece of furniture. Products. And so right here, we've got some Dixiebelle sea spray, we've got French linen, we've got drop cloth, we've got some Art Alchemy Vintage Gold, Tea Rose, and then we've got our Dixiebelle Best Dang Wax in Grunge Gray. I did say sea spray, right? So anyways, we're gonna use these products. This piece actually got a ton of dislikes. A lot of people said that they didn't like it, they didn't like the grungy look on it, but it, you know, nevertheless, it was one of my favorites. So I show you guys in this video how to use molds and how to use fast cast resin, how to apply those molds to your, or appliques to your furniture. And then I show you guys how to use texture and how to apply it, use dark wax, all that good stuff. So, you know, you can see here, this is where I put the appliques that I made on top, and I use the fast cast resin and I actually layer them on this piece. So here, you know, I'm doing texture on this piece, and I show you guys how to do texture with different colors. I ended up painting it in Dixiebelle's Tea Rose, which is a blush pink color. I took it outside and I sanded it, and then later on we put some grunge gray wax on it, and then I added a little bit of gold. So you can see that right here, but obviously if you watch the full video, it gets a little bit more in depth of how to do every single thing. This piece actually went to a lady that lived in Luxembourg and moved to Germany into an old farmhouse, so she really loved it, and it was the one that got away. For this piece, I'm going to use blues and greens from the Dixiebelle Paint Company line. But first, what I'm gonna do, as always with every piece, is we're gonna prep. So I'm gonna clean it really well. I'm going to remove all the hardware. We're gonna kind of assess it, make sure we don't need to do any kind of repairs. I don't think we do. This piece is pretty solid. And then we will start painting and making it really awesome. So stay tuned. This piece was a lot of fun to do. And right here, I start out with doing a base coat. And then later on, I show you guys how to blend a bunch of different colors into there. Before we get started, I wanted to do one side first so that you could see what we're looking for, what we're aiming for. And this kind of looks like an Aurora Borealis. When you look at it from the side, it looks a little bit different. And so we are going to work on getting this over here. On my channel, I do a bunch of blending, and mainly it's a bunch of different colors. And so this piece was no different. This one, I blended quite a few different colors to get an Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights look. This piece was a custom, and it actually went to another military family, and she had left Germany, found me, but she had left Germany. And so she's stationed in England now, but her friend who was still here in Germany was moving to England, and so I actually took this piece to her friend to take to her when she moved to England. I ended up using an iridescent gold-like wax on this to kind of just add some shimmer, add in that whole mystical Aurora Borealis feel. And so that's kind of what tied it off. And again, this piece is now in England. These are gonna be special. So every year in December, I paint a couple pieces, these will be a couple pieces of furniture green. And the reason why is because I'm a living kidney donor, and it has been 3 years. So on the 5th of December is my actual donorversary. And I donated my kidney to my friend Kim 3 years ago on the 5th, which was a couple days ago. So I'm going to do these in greens, but I really wanted to do more of a layered boho look. That is why I do these every year in December, is for kidney donor awareness, kidney disease awareness. Just, you know, it's my own little, I guess, anniversary gift or anniversary celebration to myself that reminds me each year of what I did and how my friend Kim is doing great. And hopefully if anyone has questions about living donation, you can ask me. But other than that, we are going to get started because this is gonna be so much fun. I want them to be kind of rustic boho. So let's get started. The rustic boho look is one of my favorite. And actually this piece I did this actually, you know, a week or two ago. And this one also got a lot of mixed reviews, but this is my style. And so I ended up keeping this piece. I'm giving this one to my husband, and actually I'm going to be doing the other nightstand in a color for myself. But for this one, I show you guys how to use different products to make your own chippy finish. And so I use a lot of texture, and then I used a metal scraper on here. This one I show you how to blend some greens, which I already told you before. Green is the kidney donor awareness color. So I used all these greens on this piece, and I show you how to blend. So you can blend and still make a piece with blending and texture and still make it look really awesome. So I love this piece. And again, we bought a old house that was built in 1760. And so when we retire from the military, I'm kind of planning on the pieces of furniture that I'm going to have in my house before we retire. And so this is one that I think is definitely going to be in my house for a really long time because I love color. And again, this is my husband's favorite color is green. So this one will be on his side of the bed. I also show you how to make your own colored wax in this video. So I used a yellow wax to tie everything in together, and I think it really made the piece. And so if you guys don't know how to make your own colored wax, you gotta watch the video because there's a lot of really great tips. I feel like even though maybe the end result is not always someone's favorite, the things that you take away from each video are invaluable, and that's where someone needs to think. Instead of thinking about the end result, think about all the information that you take from each video that you watch. Hey everybody, today on Bella Renovare, we are going to be making over this little chest of drawers. So this is the #1 video. This is the highest viewed video that I have for 2020. And in this video, I do quite a few things. I go really in depth on how to combat bleed through and tannins. It looks kind of like a pee stain. I mean, it does. Who am I kidding? I said it. I said what I said. Anyways, look. So really, do you want that on your furniture? I think not. So right here, I actually go over and show you how to get rid of those stains. And the video is really in depth. So if you are curious about how to combat that, then I would go ahead and go to this video, and that way you will have the most perfect finish. I also do some blending in this video where I show you how to get almost a blue jean look, and I add a little bit of texture on here and use a grass cloth textured tool to get some texture in here. This video also shows you how to apply a decor transfer, how to burnish it properly, how to seal it properly. I also go ahead and add some gold wax on this piece to kind of tie it all in together. I did not keep this piece. This was a custom for a client whose family is military. They will be leaving here soon, and so who knows where it's gonna go. It's gonna go from Germany to some other part of the world and be loved just as much. I hope you guys enjoyed that top 5 of 2020. Again, make sure you go and visit all those artists in the playlist. Go find some awesome people to follow. There are a lot of great DIYers. And here is to an awesome 2021, right? Cheers, and I will see you guys later.